Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to guide you through the simple and easy process of how to use Claude 2 in Silly Tavern. After watching this small video, you will be able to use all of Claude 2 features on your computer using Silly Tavern. So without wasting any time, let's get right into the video. So basically, first you need to install Node.js. This is a very important step because without it, you will not be able to run Claude. So to install Node.js, open up any web browser and search for Node.js. Now open up the first search result that pops up. And from here, click this green download button. This will start downloading Node.js. Once it is downloaded, open the setup and install it on your computer. After it is done installing, you will need to do one more step before you can use Claude. So open up a browser and open a new tab. Now, search for this exact term and wait for the search results to load. Now, open the first search result and scroll down to the end. Here you will see a download button. Click on it and download Claude. Now you are all set to use Claude 2. To use it, follow my steps carefully. Open up a new tab and go to Claude.ai. Once you are on this page, you need to press F12 on your keyboard to open up the dev console. I can't show you the further process because Claude is not available in my region yet. So what you need to do is go to the network tab and without closing the console, click on the start a new chat button. Find the chat conversation line in the network tab and make sure headers tab is open. Then find your cookies and copy them. Now go to the folder where you had installed Claude and extract it. Now open up Claude.js with Notepad. And now paste your cookies in this section and save the file. After that, run the start.bat file. Also, make sure that if you are not from the United States or Kingdom, you need to use a VPN. Now, you will get a URL. Copy it and run Silly Tavern. Click this icon and copy my settings. Once you're done, click on the configuration icon and paste the URL that you had copied here. And now just copy the settings from the jailbreak page. Now click connect and you are done. So that was it. That was how you can use Claude 2 in Silly Tavern. If you found this video informative, then hit the thumbs up and subscribe for future videos.